Welcome to this live webinar on state-of-art management of myelodysplastic syndrome in 2020. This is brought to you by Mumbai Hematology Group, supported by Dr. Reddy's and managed by Mice Ideas. The education cell of Mumbai Hematology Group on every Sunday from 11:30 a.m. onwards for 2 hours is doing this academic activity oriented towards DM students, clinicians, and the academicians. We cover the subjects of hematology, hemato-oncology, and allied, basically the current affairs and the futuristic views. I'm thankful to Mr. V.K. Ashok from Reddy's, Mr. Rajesh Sharma, Mr. Yash Agarwal, Mr. Kalpesh Pambar and his team from Mice Ideas, the Executive Committee of MHG, the faculty of today's live webinar on MDS, and all of you who are participating this morning. And I'm told by Mice Ideas that 670 of you have registered. At the end of this webinar, we will have questions. And I request the participants to type their questions throughout in the question box. And if everybody adheres to the timing, we will have enough time for the question and answer session. We will also like you to fill the feedback form by clicking at the right top. This feedback form will give us some guidelines for our future webinars. Those of you who desire the certificate of attendance, filling of the feedback form is compulsory. Without that, we are not in a position to issue the certificate of attendance. I would like you to introduce you to this very prestigious and very important activity of Mumbai Hematology Group, supported by Alchem. Right from this Wednesday, after 3 days, from Wednesday to Friday, 1st to 3rd of July, every evening from 6 o'clock to 9 o'clock, we are bringing to you the best of what was held in the 25th European Hematology Association's meeting, which was just concluded a couple of days ago. Covering the subject of leukemia, lymphoma, and myeloma, there are 18 experts from India, and these are topmost hematologists and hemato-oncologists. 6 of them will be speaking to you every day, covering leukemia on Wednesday, lymphoma on Thursday, and myeloma on Friday. 700 and odd of you have already registered. You're most welcome to continue your registrations. Next Sunday, that is 5th of July, supported by INTAS, we have a symposium on benign hematology, and that is hematological disorders in pregnancy. So those of you who are interested can register. I will also like to introduce this very special webinar to you, brought by Novartis on acute myeloblastic leukemia. We are the international guest speaker for this from Australia, and that is Dr. Andrew Y. This lecture is on FLT3 positive AML treatment beyond chemotherapy. It will be beginning a bit early. It's on Saturday, 11th of July at 5 p.m. and will be for about 90 minutes. Once again, the registration system is same as you have been doing. I will keep this slide on for a few seconds. You can write down this email ID and this cell number. This is of Mice Ideas. Kalpesh has been the backbone, and his email ID is kalpesh@miceideas.in. So if you have any difficulty in registering for any one of the webinar, he is the person to be troubled. Kalpesh@miceideas.in. And his mobile number, and I hope you won't mind me releasing this, is 9601608846. So you can do WhatsApp and trouble him probably 24 hours a day. So kalpesh@miceideas.in and 9601608846. Faculty for the day is virtually who is who in India. You got Dr. Neelam Verma, and it's my pleasure to introduce her to you. She's Professor and Head, Hematology, PGI, Chandigarh. Dr. Tejinder Singh is Senior Consultant, OnQuest Lab, New Delhi. Dr. Biju George, Professor, Department of Clinical Hematology, CMC, Vellore. Dr. Chandrakala, she's Professor and Head, Department of Clinical Hematology, KEM Hospital, Parel, Mumbai. And to run the QA session today will be moderated by my friend Dr. Subhaprakash Sanyal. He's clinical hematologist, hemato-oncologist, and bone marrow transplanter at Fortis Hospital, Mulund, Mumbai. So that's your faculty. Our chief guest, and we are honored by his kind presence, is Dr. Shripad Banavali, Director Academics, Professor and Head, Department of Medical and Pediatric Oncology at the prestigious Tata Memorial Hospital and Center, Mumbai. This CME is brought to you by Dr. Reddy's, and I am thankful to everybody who has contributed to this CME.